Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. We're doing 2 a week all the way through until Christmas. And this is today's project. This is a little hanging chocolate coin pouch, bag. It's not really a pouch, is it? It's a bag. And I've got 4 in here. The last time I made this, which was back in 20-something or other, 2015, I think. Yep, 2015. I'm looking at my old notes. I only put 2 in. Wasn't I a meanie? Only putting 2 chocolate coins in, but I've put 4 in. And they're 2p pieces, although that's absolutely enormous for a 2p piece. It's not focusing. 2p piece. And, oh, actually, no, these don't have the Queen's head on. But I did buy them before she died, so. But anyway, these are cute. They're very cute. So these are my silver ones, and I've got gold chocolate coins. Silver ones have got white chocolate inside. I did not know that. Why did I not know that? I don't know, but they've got white chocolate. These ones have got brown chocolate. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Now, I'm using the metallic and shimmer paper. And it's, you will be forgiven for missing it because it kind of isn't really massively featured. But you get black and silver, green and gold. And then, well, I'm going to say that's probably, yeah, it's Evening Evergreen and gold. And then Cajun Craze with pumpkin pie. So these are the more glittery, reflective. That's more shimmery. But they're very pretty. And obviously I did the black and white. And I'm now going to use the Evening Evergreen. So you need a piece of paper that is 5.5 by 4 inches, 13 by 10 centimetres, and I made the same mistake again. I've cut it like that thinking, oh, that's the height. It's not. That's it's that way round. So we're going to have glimmer that goes across the side. Not to worry. Right, where's my scoring tool? Here we go. So we're going to go on the long side first. And yeah, do you know what? I don't know why mine has curled. Has anybody else's curled? Is that just me? Let's look for a stylus. So, on the long side first, score it at 2 inches, 2.5, 4.5, and 5. So that's all in imperial inches, which in metric is 5, 6, 11, and 12. And then on the short side, score it at 1/2 inch or 1 centimetre. So, oh, my phone's just, everybody's wants me today. How lovely. Right, so yeah, everything's going to be on my blog, so don't worry about writing it down. But I want to, while I'm doing all this burnishing, I just want to say an enormous thank you to everybody, really. So Stampin' Up! Announced the annual recognition on Tuesday night. And they do recognition for sales, team building, so bringing people into your business, and leadership, and then country overall. And I'm thrilled to share that I ranked at #1 in all 4 categories for the UK. So pleased that some of my team also were recognised as well. But I've been a demonstrator for 9 years now, and for the 9th year running, I've ranked at #1 for sales and for team building. I think 8 years for leadership. Not sure about the overall because that came in a few years ago, but I absolutely love my job. I love what I do. It really is the best ever. And when I joined 9 years ago, I just wanted to sell some stuff at craft fairs and make a little bit of a profit. But, you know, everything changed. And yeah, I really do have the very best job. And I just want to say thank you to everybody who has shopped with me, for everybody who has joined my team, and everybody who's joined their teams too. And also everybody who just watches my videos, who shares my projects, who comments, and just is pretty epic and awesome and amazing. And I couldn't do it without all of you. And that means that I get to be mum to my sons, who are rapidly growing. Some of you may know Oliver was just 2. Well, he hadn't even turned 2. He turned 2 the day before I did my first video. He's 11 now. You've seen me tape all of that together. I'm chattering away. I hope you can follow what I'm doing. I'm just going to punch a hole in the top. Yeah, so Oliver was only 2 and Jack was 10 when I started. He's now 19. Driving. Luke would have been 8. He's learning to drive. Right, there's 2 in. There's another 2. Jacob would have been 4 and he is 14 now. No, he would have been 5. And yeah, he's 14 now. So time flies, but I never thought that I would be a recognised demonstrator or an incentive trip achiever. I was just, me. So I just wanted to say a huge thank you because, like I say, they shared the recognition a couple of days ago and I'm a bit behind on filming. So what an opportunity for me to come on immediately afterwards and say thank you. So thank you. That's me saying thank you. Okay, so I put 4 in and I remembered that I needed to take 2 out. So you put the first 2 in at the bottom really just to get some weight. And what I'm doing is just making the hanging loop. So I'm going to trim off the ends. And then what you do, I don't know how well you can see, I'm going to pull that bit out of the way. Pop my last 2 in and that's going to sit over the top, and when you pull it tight it holds those 2 in place. Oh, please focus. There we go. No, can't decide. Where's it? There we go. So it's going to hold those 2 in place when you hang it like that. Okay, let's do a little bit of stamping because that's what we're here for. Some stamping. Oh, I want a smaller bit of basic white than that. Oh, that one will do. Got my adorable penguin place. So this was a carryover. We brought this out, was it last year or the year before? I'm not sure. But it's a carryover, so it's very nice to have it back again. And so I'm going to look which way round I punch. So I punch my penguin upside down. And I'm just going to grab some memento. One of these days I'm going to get Chris to sort this squeaky chair out. He's outside at the moment. Hopefully he's going to come in and make some lunch for us because it's that time of day that I'm filming. Oh, what happened there? Maybe I'll just say to him this. Oh, nearly. Chris, can you please de-squeakify my chair? And then hopefully it won't squeak. But you know what? I'm going to get downstairs. We're going to have lunch and it's going to fall out of my head. So expect the chair to be squeaky in the next few videos. Okay. Right. Alex in my voice. I was very excited when they did the recognition. For me, the recognition actually happened last night. But for you, that was 3 days ago. So I'm a little bit hoarse, might have stayed up a little bit late, got a little bit giddy and excited. And yeah, happy days. Right, let me have a little pumpkin pie beak for my penguin. And he had a red bow last time, but I might go with a green bow, because why not? An evening evergreen bow. I like to make the chocolate coin treats like this because chocolate coins, they're a weird thing. You love them or you hate them. I don't think there is any in between. They're very fiddly, but that actually, if I put... because I took 4 out of here. If I put those 4 back in, that's actually quite a lot of chocolate. I mean, they're not expensive, but frugal times and all of that. But yeah, that's quite a lot to give to, you know, particularly a child. But I think 4 of them is quite nice. And so in my packet, so, well, I can make 2.5 with 1 packet, or I could make 5 with 2 packets for about... yeah, probably about £2. So we'll do that. Oh, I didn't stamp my greeting. Season's greetings. Just the perfect thing to say. And yeah, you can hang these on your tree. We do this every year. I don't know whether it came from my child and it was something that my mum did, or, you know, maybe her mum did. But we've always put a couple of bags of chocolate coins buried right inside our main tree. Yes, I say main tree, we have lots of them. But buried deep inside the tree. So it's not particularly obvious that they're there. And the children know they're there and then they forget they're there. And we don't actually have them until we take the tree down. I don't always put them inside the tree when I first put the tree up. But at some point in time, I do hide a couple of bags, usually silver ones, because I have a silver tree, and I hide them deep in the depths of the tree. And then when we put it down, it's like, oh, yay, look, we got chocolate to eat. And like I say, it was something my mum did when I was a child. And I don't know, maybe her mum did, I don't know. But it's a lovely tradition, and I love a chocolate coin. So anyway, what do you think? Aren't they cute? I love them. So, anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to meet you very soon. Bye.